Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to all my panels and have a good day to all my panels to Dr. SYAFIQ, Dr. Effendi and Dr. SYED. So, today I want to present my PSM1. The title is the changeover process of production line for productivity enhancement. So, before I'm going to present my project, let me to introduce myself first. So my name is Norsyakila Binti Muhammad Nazri. I'm from section 1 and second group. My supervisor is Professor MADYA Dr. Muhammad RIZAL bin SALLEH. So this is outline consists of introduction, literature review, methodology and conclusion. So let me to introduce first. So, for background of study, in my researchment in this research, changeover process of production line is reducing changeover time, unlocks more productive value added time for running production. There are lots of benefits that by reduced production batch such work in process and inventory. A manufacturing facility can improve its operation efficiently by identifying critical operations that affect the overall production quality and delivery of facility. So, we move to problem statement. Parameters that can impact for productivity in changeover process. So, actually, I am already done to visit the industry making the straw. So, from my investigation, I noticed there are a few problems in production line. So, the problem is the manual adjustment mold, late operator expertise, no reference for materials fit angle, difficult in glue thickness adjustment, and straw adjustment by manual. Because a lot of adjustment by manuals is causing a lot of a waste time throughout the process. So, to counter all of the problem, my objective first to investigate the change over the time in progress in manufacturing line process by 10 until 15% time saved. Second, to design the changeover process in production line by using value stream mapping, TPM and Six Sigma and 5S lean manufacturing. And third one, and last one, to validate the proposed changeover process in a production line. So, for my scope, first to study the effect the changeover process, example manual adjustment mode, material fit angle, glue thickness adjustment, and straw length adjustment. Second, this study will use value stream mapping VSM as measurement to detect the problem in a production line. Third, analyze the changeover process parameters. And last one, validate the productivity in changeover process by using of the total productive maintenance TPM, Six Sigma and 5S lean manufacturing. From this literature review, there are 4 journals can I summarize that most helpful me in doing the researchment. So the journal consists from 2016 until 2020. So for 2016, the title is the enhancement of productivity and efficiency of CNC machine in a small scale industry using the total productive maintenance, which is a TPM. So from this researchment, I get this research using of the total productive maintenance TPM and 5S techniques using a systematic approach. This has been to focus to minimize the breakdowns, increase the performance and quality rate of machines so as to improve the effectiveness. So from this also I get the journal shown to me how to calculate overall equipment effectiveness OEE to get the performance and quality the process. So for 2018, The title is the contribution of lean manufacturing tools to change over time decrease the pharmaceutical industry ASMED. So from this researchment, completing changeover between the product on a certain packaging machine using single minutes exchange of dies SMED technique offer the possibility to shorten the machine machine downtime, increasing the final output. So, for 2019, the title Productivity Improvement Through Time Study Approach. From this research, I get this research a present time study technique was used to enhance productivity of a garment production, like in a workwear manufacturing factory. From this also, they shown to me how to determine of the cycles, record and calculate observed time, calculate the normal time and standard time using the equation to get the enhanced productivity. So because the change in job content and other change made in a machine layout. So, the last one for 2020, the title is the Improvement in Productivity Throughout TPM Implementation. So, in this research, the plastic molding injection industry using TPM, TPM is approach that target to upsurge the acceptability of present. So by the implementing the problem can get to solve lah. So from my researchment, I read the journal and selected the best method for enhance the productivity to counter the problem statement in a production line in industry making the straw. So my idea to for project is first start and then understanding, planning and design, testing, analyzing and end. So the phase one for the understanding phase, analyze the problem in a production line. Phase 2 planning phase, start to measure the problem. Phase 3 testing phase, implement selected method to solve the problem. And last one, phase 4 analyze phase, analyze the result. So, for the step first, phase 1, understanding the situation and finding the problem for each parameters, which is first manual mold adjustment, manual angle adjustment, glue thickness tuning, and manual cutter length adjustment. From this, we need to find the problem and move to second phase, which is start to use a method value stream mapping. For this, value stream mapping (VSM) is a lean tool that employs VSM as a fundamental tool to identify waste, reduce process cycle times, and implement process improvement. So for this VSM, first we create the current statement. This will help to identify the waste such as delays, restrictions, inefficiencies, and excess inventory, which is give the organization a working plan to achieve lean efficiency. So, for the phase 3, implement 5S lean manufacturing, total productive maintenance TPM, Six Sigma, and Six Sigma. So, for 5S workplace, first step, we need to sorting through the content on the workplace and removing unnecessary items. Second, putting the necessary item in their place and providing easy access. And third, swap. Fourth, standardized. And five, self-discipline. When this apply in the workplace, the enhanced productivity can get from this. So for TPM, height no breakdowns, no small stop or slow running, no defect, and no accidents operative, preventative maintenance to maximize the lifespan and productivity of equipment. So from this also can calculate the OEE OEE, overall equipment effectiveness, which is formula is calculated by multiplying availability, performance, and quality, and represented by percentage. And the last one, Six Sigma is a method that provides organization tools to improve the capability of their business process, performance, and decrease a process variation help lead to detect reduction and improvement in profits, employee morale, and quality of product or service. And the last one, validate the result based on the time, based on the data collected. And the last one, so for the conclusion, expected outcomes, understand the whole change over process of the problem production line, change over the time in progress in manufacturing line by 10 until 15% time save. And the last one, productivity increase when implementing 5S lean manufacturing, Six Sigma and TPM in production line and workstation. Thank you so much for lend your ears.